Okay, so now that we have our subject property, we're going to move over to the search section here. What this is going to do, it's going to search based off the MLS number or property that you put in the beginning. So we can see our subject property here, 2019 Griswold Street, and it'll also be displayed with a gold star. So what we want to do is add this one to our presentation. So you can add it by clicking the little plus right here on the picture. And then from here, you can go ahead and look at, the properties that are brought in. You can also drill down the search by putting in parameters. So we can do a min, let's say 150 to 225, kind of give it a range there. And then you can hit apply. It's going to change it, kind of drill it down a little bit. You can also select, bed and bath. And you have a few other filters here to kind of narrow it down a little bit more. But from here, I like my search. So we're going to go ahead and grab some of these properties. So let's just click the plus button, add this one. This one looks similar as well. And this one. We'll also grab that one, and we'll grab this active one down here. Okay. You can also see the details of these properties over by clicking the Details tab. And this will show you everything that the property has. So once we like our selected properties, we're going to continue over to the next page, and it's going to show us our listings that we selected. And we'll take a look at that in the next video.